What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to hop on here real quick before this week's video gets started and say that we are changing our upload schedule from Tuesday mornings to Saturday mornings. We're hoping this will allow us more time throughout the week to be able to work on videos, get a little bit more editing done, and do some more special things on the channel, as well as give you guys more times once the video does come out to actually watch it, since more people don't work on weekends than what they do during the week. We've also got a new segment coming out that Dad's going to talk about here in a second, and I think that should be it. So thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.
Hey guys, I want to introduce to you a new segment we're going to start showing on the channel that's dedicated to the workhorse that we have here around the garage. Sometimes we do cars that aren't necessarily glamorous, like Mustang GTs, Pontiac Solstices, and Jeep Wranglers. Sometimes you have to work on GMC Terrains and Honda CR-Vs and a Ford Edge that we're getting ready to work on. So this is going to show you just a little short update on other cars we have going on, and they don't necessarily make it to the prime headliner video that we're gonna do on some of our builds, but these are going on in the background, so enjoy this first clip.
Welcome to the Mundane Minute.
Hey guys, here's an update on the Honda mail car. Just changed the valve cover gasket. Had a little leak coming down through there. Cleaned that up, changed all the gaskets on that. I'm in various states of body work on the whole thing. So I have to take these little trim pieces off and sand and paint those. Just filled in all the dents. You can remember what that looked like when I first got it. Removed the bumper. I'm going to sand it down, repaint it. It was in pretty bad shape. Fix some rust up underneath that little trim piece there. And there's the major damage right there. Getting ready to take it to Mike tomorrow. He's going to clamp onto that and pull it out. And then I can get the new door and fender on. Here's the door. It's been all sanded down, fixed. It's ready for paint. Fender is almost ready for paint. And that is it.
Have you ever encountered a situation where when you thought back on it you realized, I probably should have handled that differently? Well, this is absolutely one of those situations. So you know what that means? It's contest time! The first person to correctly guess what Mark does with that sway bar link gets a free Rebuild It t-shirt. Make sure to leave your guess in the comments section down below and check back this Saturday to find out what happens next. Thanks so much guys for tuning in and watching this week's episode of Rebuild It. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any awesome content. Have a good one.